No way. There is literally hail out here. It hailed. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go get my shoes on and I'm gonna go outside. It hailed. It freaking hailed. Let's go see if it's on my car. It freaking hailed. Holy crap, yeah. Look at the grass. Oh my gosh. We had a hailstorm. And the cars are covered as well. Wow. No way, dude. We had a hailstorm. Look at the grass. Covered in ice. Wow. Didn't expect this tonight. I don't go out there when I think it's snowing actually. It might look like snow. That's snow, everyone. It's snowing. We are having thunder snow right now. Because it's thundering as well out here. And look at my car. Yep, look. It's snow, hail. Yeah, it's hail actually. Oh. Yep. Look at that. That's hail. Hailing out here. It's snowing.
That ain't snow if it's hail.
Look.
Well, heck, it is hard.
And it covered the ground too. It's thunder snow. It's thundering out here. Look at it. It's snowing. And it's thundering at the same time. That's snow.
It's hail.
It doesn't sound like hail. It is snow.
It's going to be in your bed in the morning.
It's going to cover the ground, look.
And we're hail.
That's snow.
That's hail there, little brown.
We had this happen at Enterprise and it was snow. I wasn't expecting this. I knew it was going to snow.
That wind was blowing terrible there.
Yeah. And this is rare because it's thundering at the same time. My word, everyone, look at this. I don't know if it's hail or snow, but it might be both. I see it on my hand. Oh my gosh. So first we had a hailstorm and now it's snowing. And it's thundering as well, lightning. Thunder snow. Slash hail. Yep. I'm gonna go over to my car again. Dude, this is nuts. Look at my window, my roof. Yeah, this is snow. Snow and hail. I think it's snow though, it's really snow. Holy crap, it's cold. Ooh. It's crazy, dude. Whew. It is snowing. It hailed before, but it's snowing. It's cold out here. Good thing I came out here. Yeah, it's snowing for sure. This is rare. It's thunder snow. We never had thunder snow before. So it's thundering and lightning at the same time too. As it is snowing. I was actually in my room working on my collection, putting it up on the wall, and I heard it pour. I heard thunder, and I suddenly heard it pouring really hard. And I got up and I seen it was hailing, and that's when I decided to record this. Wow. Look at this snow. Weird weather we're having. They're expecting little to no accumulation. Still snowing. This is nuts. And it's coming down hard again. Little slow reaction. I got gum in my mouth, so I'm having a hard time talking. It's been a long time since we had snow. My grandpa says it's hail, but it's actually snow. So we had this happen when we we've had this happen before when we went camping. So cold I can't speak. We might wake up to snow tomorrow morning. If it continues. It's not even... My gum, sorry. It's not even that cold for it to snow. I'm gonna go to my car one more time. My car is covered in ice. Look at that. Look at my window. All built up with hail and snow. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. This is crazy. And it's quit now. But I think it could happen on and off tonight. It's very cold. My hand's actually freezing. So, I'm guessing it snowed yesterday or hailed, and it done it again tonight. Crazy weather. it's rare. And what's even crazier is that it's thundering and lightning out here as well. And that's thunder snow. I'm pretty sure it's snow anyways. It looks like snow. It might have been mixed with hail as well. But dude, that was crazy. Our grass is still kind of covered in ice or snow a little bit. I'm gonna go back inside and warm up. It's freezing out here now. Temperature dropped a lot. Glad I came out here. I would have missed it. That's crazy. And it was more rare too. This is the rarest event I've seen so far happen, when there's lightning and thunder and snow at the same time. This is actually my first time experiencing thunder snow. And we don't ever usually get those around here. It might do it on and off tonight, but I don't think it'll be enough to stick to the ground. I'm gonna go back inside. It's too cold out here. My hands are freezing. I can't really feel them. Well, I mean, I can, but it's so cold. I was not expecting this, though. Wow. Mesquite, Nevada. 2026. Thunder snow / regular. I'm guessing it's thunder snow. Anyways, so it's thunder and lightning and snowing / hailing. It done this yesterday too, around noon to the afternoon ish as well, when it was raining all day. Yep, it's still snowing. Look, it's snowing again. It quit and now it's doing it again. That's awesome though. Oh my goodness. I wonder how many times it is since I've experienced my first snowstorm. Sorry everyone, it's so cold out here I can't barely talk. I better get in or else I'll get sick. I think it's showing on the roads too a little bit. Kind of looks like it. It's still sticking on the cars, as you see my neighbor's car and mine. Look, kind of looks like it's sticking on the road maybe. I don't know, I can't tell. I know it's sticking on grass. Yeah, it's still snowing. It might do it on and off tonight. It's been storming all night so far, on and off. I think it's supposed to storm tomorrow too. It quit thunder and lightning, which is good. I'm glad it's not real close. I don't like thunder and lightning when it's that close and loud. It scares me half to death every time it is that loud and close. I remember when me and my family went to, I think, Bryce Canyon. We had a thunderstorm, and the thunder and lightning was, no, it was Brian had. I think it was both places. That time, we went on a long camping trip for 2 weeks, I think, or a week and a half anyways. And we went to Bryce Canyon first, and then it thunderstormed on us, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure it did, though. And then we went to Brian Head, and then it thunderstormed on us again, and the thunder and lightning was so close. I I don't know how to explain it, but it was loud. Very loud. And my grandma didn't even like it, so. You know where you hear that crackle after the lightning hits? That's how loud it was. About a second after lightning hit, that crackle showed up and then it just rumbled loud. Anyways, this was a nice little storm. Got to see snow for the second time here in Mesquite, maybe third. I think it's my third time seeing snow here in Mesquite, Nevada. Maybe fourth. It's just to show you, we do get snow here in Nevada. Even Clark County, Nevada. And Mesquite, Nevada. Or I should just say Southern Nevada, I guess. Or something like that. Clark County, should I say. Well, that's where all Nevada, I think. Anyways, whatever. But it just shows to show you that even though we're in Nevada and we're in the desert, and it's always in the 100-degree weather here, we still get snowstorms every once in a while. Not as much as Utah and everywhere else gets, but we do get little snow here and there. And hail. Well, it's over. I'm gonna go in and warm up. I'm so cold out here. That was pretty interesting. I got so excited. I'm glad I made it out here in time. Here's the size of the hail. It looks to be like a pea size, maybe. Yeah. Pea size or something like that. That is nuts, dude. And there, it's all melted on the ground. This was just on the trash can. Dude. I can't believe that happened.